Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll look at how the indices performed on 8th of April, that is today, and also the accumulation data that is in the broader market, and also which sectors kind of performed really well. So we'll start off with the Nifty. So like we were pointing out that Nifty is heading higher, so that is what happened today, almost 150 points gain on the Nifty. It is in blue skies territory now. There is nothing, no resistance on the left hand side. So until and unless you see like a very big FIS sell number, this up move should continue in the Nifty, right? So today's number is like the FIS have bought in, like sold somewhere around 700-800 crores, wherein the DIS have bought some 3,000 odd crores. So looks like the Nifty should continue moving higher. So now coming to the mid caps, the mid caps kind of stayed flat today, although even they are in like they are at all-time high right now, but because of Nifty mid cap expiry today, there was a little volatility as well. Earlier they were like in the initial trade they were up, but then they kind of came down swiftly and then closed around that 50,000 mark. So in one of the previous videos I kind of explained how the big guys would want the indices to close near a round figure so that they end up making a lot of profits from that by selling options. So the small cap index, it continued moving higher. It was up 0.3% today, although we kind of opened higher on all the indices except for the Nifty. The mid cap and the small caps, they kind of opened higher, but then they closed a little lower than the opening. But overall for the day, they kind of closed higher than the previous closing, right? So the next resistance for the small cap index would be after a percent move from the current levels, right? That is 16,565, right? But looking at the data, so what exactly is the data pointing at? So the data is decent. It has not deteriorated. So a stock specific, sector specific kind of accumulation is happening in the broader market, right? So looks like the move should continue, although it can be a slow for a while, but it should continue moving higher. Now coming back to which sectors did very well. So the automobile, why did the auto sector do really well? So you have seen how the auto sector sales have been for the last for March, right? So that kind of helped it. And also now with the festival that is coming in, for that is the new year for a lot of people, right? So this, I mean, sales might even spike up, right? So because of which even the auto sector did really well. Then coming to energy index, that was a big gainer. Then realty has been around that all-time high, right? Because of the sales that has been continuously moving up, right? The real estate sales have been very strong, even though the interest rates are quite high. And also the infrastructure index, that is all your infra stocks, even that index is trading at all-time high, kind of making a morning star pattern on the daily indices, right? Daily charts. So these were the sectors. Even metal continues to move higher, right? Especially steel and all, because of the consumption that has been happening, right? Although there is no margin improvement, but nonetheless, because of the total demand that is there for steel in India, the steel company should be posting very good results for Q4, right? So this is what happened in today's trade. See you in tomorrow's video. Thank you.